Alright, so we're doing something different today. We have our friend and fellow trash poster in the Discord, Nightfire. He's one of our most loyal commenters. Today, I'm going to be torturing him by having him build an ITX PC.
Alright.
With a catch.
What's the catch?
So you said you like spicy food?
I do.
Every time you have to take a screw out, every time you have to remove a part, like you put something in, you're committing.
Okay.
If you have to take it back apart, you gotta eat something spicy.
Okay.
So you okay with that?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm a connoisseur of spicy food, so let's go.
So we got our Gateway Vision PC. This thing is like super slow. So we got a whole bunch of stuff here to put in there. I've already verified that all of it fits together, so I'm not just having him fight this thing together. I know it goes together. So we got a low profile Noctua cooler. I think this is like an NL9. It's the AM4 version. For, of course, our 5700G.
Nice processor.
Patriot Viper Steel. Samsung 980. I really like these because they don't actually have a DRAM cache, but they're still really good priced and really fast.
Absolutely.
And an ASRock B550M ITX, because this is a slightly ITX form factor, although that motherboard is smaller than the one that's in here, so it should all work together. And of course, this has like a 220 watt power supply already in it, so it should all just work. So
in air quotes, work.
work. So yeah, have at it. Here's some screwdrivers and whatnot, and I will watch diligently.
Right.
As you ever have to turn the screw the other way, you're gonna suffer.
Alright.
Do you feel any sort of like pressure to have to take like any like random screw out? You're already kind of worried about it?
No. You've seen my sleeper PC, right?
Yeah, with the I guess I'll insert picture here.
Yeah. that computer. That's already a meme. I've already dealt with ITX builds before. I actually have a Encase M1 computer, or case, I mean.
Not bad.
It looks like already I'm gonna have to unscrew.
I mean that's a safe forward progress step. You're not using that cooler. You're using this cooler.
Yeah, that's right. Yep. All right.
Not that you couldn't use that cooler in this case, but I have some like future plans for this PC, so.
All right.
Yeah, I'm not gonna dock you for having to take the little cover off that you would have had to take off anyway. But if you have to take that cover off, so help me God.
I don't think I should, but we'll see. This is more like how many screw-ups I do in a computer build.
The BIOS on that, when I first put this together just as like a test fit for this video, it wasn't flashed, so I had to take the CPU back out to put a different one in to flash it. So
wow.
It would have been hilarious to leave it unflashed for you, but
yeah, that would be hilarious.
you get it all together and you're like, why isn't it a booting game? And me just being like laughing maniacally in the background. How many parts is that gonna be?
Oh my god.
I guess I'd just give you some random questions while you're doing this, just to like hopefully throw you off.
Sure.
So how long have you been building PCs for?
I would say around 5 years.
Okay.
Same as how I professionally do IT work as well. Very good. RAM would clear, so I don't have to remove the CPU cooler.
That would be rough to be this early in.
Yeah. Tell me about it. Almost dropped the screwdriver.
Hope that screw lines up. Ain't gotta remove any of the other ones to get that one to line up.
No, I don't need to. Okay, and it's chassis fan. Here's CPU fan.
Oh man, I was hoping he was gonna go for the chassis fan header. Well, we gotta unplug it. How you wanna do this?
Nope. Always check first.
Whoa, close there. I don't know if that was a little bit too much commitment on that RAM slot.
I had to dive into this thing. Oh, you're missing a screw.
Don't worry about it. Ain't gonna hurt no one.
Yep. Did I ever mention that this case is hot garbage?
The case?
Yeah.
What's wrong with the case?
Well, first off, it's a gateway.
Hey, it's not a gateway.
You're right. It's an HP gateway, right?
No.
Oh, Acer. That's right.
Acer
Yeah.
era gateway. This was Acer just being like, yeah, gateway, can we use your name? And they're like, sure, whatever, we're not using it. And they're like, all right, we're going to ruin your name. Some hot trash.
What?
You can do it. You can do it. You got this.
Oh, okay. It slides. It lifts up. There we go. Okay. Are we gonna put the hard drive and the CD drive back in or no?
Maybe not the hard drive, maybe the CD drive. I would like to have the CD drive.
CD drive would be cool. Even though considering that optical media is dead these days.
I don't know, I got a 6-disc CD changer in my car. Want to give that the shot?
You know what I call CD drives?
Cup holders?
Cup holders.
I'm assuming you don't care about this motherboard, right?
No.
Okay.
God, no, I don't think anybody ever cares.
Yeah, I don't think so either. Where is this?
Oh, don't worry about some of this stuff. Like,
Okay.
say, like, this one, that's not going to go in anything.
Yeah, that's what I
think
figured.
there's 2 USBs. There's one front header.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I actually see
The
it.
front header, that's what's nice about AS Rock boards. That's why I buy a lot of AS Rock boards for this type of stuff. Is the header usually matches up with OEM headers, so you don't have to like go crazy with it. Like as long as it plugs in, the header's usually fine.
I know. I know.
If you fail one more time, you're getting the pepper.
Which pepper is it?
Oh, I got a whole selection.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Someone's eating these peppers this weekend.
My cable management's gonna be going off the wall,
Could be
but
sus, but you can't unplug it now that you're committed.
yeah.
I like that. Yeah, I like that you saw that and you were like, yeah, I'm gonna go under with this instead of unplugging it. This is good. This is much better than I did. I literally like got all done and I was like, why won't it boot? Checks compatibility. Aww. That would have been brilliant of them to like put it all together without any screws.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take any screws out if I didn't put any in.
Can't kill what was never alive.
Alright. You don't care about this drive?
Yeah, not the hard drive. Just,
Alright. Well, I'll remove it anyway.
what did I say about removing stuff?
Well, hey, it was already mounted to this case. So there's that. Yeah, here it is.
You don't get a pass on removing that CD drive, by the way.
Huh?
It's already in there. It's counting as in there.
Alright. But you see though, I didn't screw it in yet.
I don't know. You already have it in there.
That's true, yeah.
I'm gonna get my pepper one
Yeah,
way or another.
Get the pepper.
Yes!
Get the pepper. Get the pepper.
All right, which one you want? I got some spicy hotness, some what I think is habaneros, some soranero, I don't know, and then some jalapenos.
Some jalapenos. Alright.
I don't know. I'm mostly curious about these ones. So
Yeah.
does this bother you at all?
No, it doesn't.
All right.
Oh, it looks like the devil.
You want me to have a bit milk, or you good with it without it?
Yeah.
Look at this absolute unit. This might make the rest of the assembling process a little more.
Oh.
God, he just went. Oh my God! It is burning me just
Yeah.
smelling it.
We're supposed to be upwind, man.
You okay there, boss?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Holy,
Collateral damage.
bro, this
I
guy.
told you. I told you the hottest thing I tried is a Mad Dog 357.
All right, start the timer. He's screwing faster. I know there's something going on in there.
There's
He has to
nothing.
feel pain.
Nope.
He doesn't feel pain.
Don't feel any pain at all.
Oh Lord. Now I've got to try it just to be like, is
Right?
it hot?
Yeah, like-
And then I'll be on the floor lying in a pool of my own vomit.
Yeah, no, we have to do it now.
Serrano? I don't know what this
This
is.
looks almost fine. Like you're like, yeah, this is just like what they give you at Papa John's, but fresh.
Yeah, it's like the little tiny devil.
And then I'm over here and I catch the vapor.
Yeah, I got a whiff of it and I was like, ooh.
Yeah.
Oof, that's hot.
Ugh, I'm tempted. I don't know. I haven't done anything wrong.
Ooh.
Oh shit, Gab's eating some. I have to.
Yep.
Oh! Oh god! It's already hot!
Alright.
Oh god.
Alright, Chief.
Oh. Oh no. Don't do that.
Alright, bottoms up, I guess.
Oh my god.
Alright, where's the...
Oh, how much did you put? I'm not saying that I couldn't work through it, but this is pretty bad.
Alright, where's the other...
Like the side that I chewed it with, the gums are burning over there.
Yeah, finish this before it's too late.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. It's getting worse.
Oh yeah.
It's like a build up.
Alright.
Oh.
Alright. Yep, let's put it up.
Well, you better hope that it boots. You put it all back together before turning it on. Am I gonna boot it up before I have to go get something to drink? Holy Christ, man.
Wash my hands so I don't rub in my eyes.
Uh-oh. Oh.
There we go.
Oh. Oh. That is some violent stuff right there.
So far
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Ah.
I think Gab's just a weenie.
Ah. It's so hot.
I mean, I feel it, but I'm not dying.
It's like the top of the back of my mouth and everything.
Weirdly enough, it's not booting.
Well, the question is, am I an idiot and is the capture card not plugged in and like all this time with the other thing we were just...
Oh my god.
That would be so bad.
That would be.
Oh, it should be my signal. HDMI 1. There's no reason why it shouldn't work.
Oh, there you go, it's booting.
Okay.
Look at that.
Ah, it burns.
Oh, I see you got Among Us on your Cyberpunk.
I mean, Among Us. Among Us is the first thing I download because it's fast, and it gets the folder going so I can transfer files over.
There you go.
I don't know. Do you want to test out your creation? You
Sure.
wanna boot up Cyberpunk real quick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get something to drink.
It's pretty rough.
What?
That pepper is pretty strong. Ooh.
It's not that bad.
I mean, I'm not dying like Gab is, but I'm like... It's like you got like a really annoying rock in your shoe.
Yeah. I will say I've had worse. That
Question
Mad
is-
Dog is hits it.
Is that whole milk or is it...
Yes.
Oh, okay, you're smart.
Listen, I didn't even have milk yet. This isn't bad. I didn't even have milk yet. This isn't bad.
I'm just drinking Coke and being like, this makes it better, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah?
It just numbs the pain.
Yeah.
This doesn't numb anything.
So really the question is do you want to try overclocking it?
Yeah, sure.
You want to play with the overclock a little bit? Because this thing clocks really well. Like, I was having a lot of fun clocking with the, like, just mashing settings and just everything working.
What, the 5700G?
Yeah.
Well, cool, because this is actually a CPU I'm thinking about buying.
It just burns, man. It burns, like, right in the spot of my tongue. Like, this is this one spot of my tongue that's just, like, it was, like, this burning hole. So are you familiar with, like, overclocking on Ryzen? Like, with Ryzen, or just, you know, doing clock stuff with Ryzen?
A little bit.
So it's one of those things where, like, say, you know how finicky it can be.
My my current CPU, the 2600X, is a terrible overclocker for me anyway.
Yeah.
It can never. It can't hit like over 4.1 gigahertz. I tried it, but after
But
an hour.
even with like say RAM, like you have like problems clocking up RAM.
Yeah. Even at 3200, my RAM is, and I have BDI. I mean, not a lot of people can actually take the heat on.
You want to try one of these things?
Sure.
Well,
these
I think that's a habanero.
Yeah, this is hot. If you try this like straight up.
You're a little worried?
No.
Of course not. You want me to go get you milk? Oh my god, he took it all. You didn't have to eat the whole thing. What's this thing even smell like? Oh. Ooh. Yeah, you want to
I'm
have some
feeling
nice?
I'm chilling.
Yes, we broke him. You want some milk?
We did it. Gods can bleed.
Wow. I generally forgot how hot habaneros are.
Yeah, so I used to have to drive like an hour from my friend's place back home when I played D&D back in the day. So it'd be like 3 in the morning, I'm driving home.
Yeah.
So we'd go to eat and we'd get like boneless habanero, like mango habanero wings. I'd leave one. So when I'm falling asleep driving home and I hit High School Road, I'd pop one and just start like like chug a Red Bull, then eat the wing, not the other way around.
This is like a sharp spicy. Like it's not like this the other one that was just like a mild like burn.
That will kick you in the teeth. Can I have a Coke, please?
Yeah. I didn't mean to kill you.
You're good.
He didn't have to eat the whole thing. He went deep on it.
And the worst part is,
just smell it.
not that bad because I have no sense of smell.
Oh yeah.
That's how I almost died last week.
Whatever he did was dangerous. Man, I had a single seed and I'm feeling it.
Yeah. The season of pepper is the hottest.
Ah! Ah! Oh god, it made it to the back of my mouth. Oh. Yeah, no, that's a dangerous thing right there.
Yep.
I need more milk. I have one.
Can you get me milk too?
Yeah.
Oh, well, hopefully the viewers will enjoy it. Thanks.
Zach, just have one seed.
Okay, so the question that has to be asked now is how much milk do you have left?
It's a good question.
Because I don't want to commit to something and then find out we're out of antidote and I have to like cry my way to Wawa.
It burns so much. This is awful. I feel like the tip of my tongue is just being stabbed repeatedly.
Yep.
I mean, I can imagine the entirety of your mouth is being stabbed.
Not really.
This is awful.
You know what's awful is his Wi-Fi card.
Oh yeah. Still on the 5G. This is way worse. Which is
there
weird
you go.
because the website that I went to said that the other one was worse.
I'm loving this.
You're not the one trying it though. That's why you're loving it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's finally calming down.
Oh, for me, it's been calmed down.
I had a single seed though, man. A single seed.
And I had the whole pepper.
Like you took the whole thing, and I was like, "Wait a minute."
With the seed.
Hold on.
That's like a hold my beer moment.
I think like Zach did the right thing and like washed his hands. I think I touched my face right here, and I feel it on my face.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. Your oils
Yeah.
will stick to that spiciness.
Wow, this is some gnarly stuff.
It is.
Rookie mistake there, Mr. Gab.
Okay.
What? What?
We'll put these away for now. That was really brave. Bro, I eat like a jalapeno and I'm dying.
Just to think of the critical pepper training video.
Oh yeah.
Got something like that. I don't know if you want to like pinky that.
This is going to be straight. Yeah. No. No.
You get some chips.
What does it say?
I
here?
like how this guy literally eats a habanero like straight down to the stem, and he's like looking at this random hot pepper, like this random hot sauce, like nah.
It's ghost pepper's sauce. Ghost
Uh,
pepper's like the hottest in the
I'm
the hottest pepper in the world.
Let's give it a whiff real quick.
A whiff. That's gonna make your nose run.
Yeah, my nose is already running. You old dad joke. You better go catch it.
Could be worse. It could be the good old days of your
Your refrigerator running.
yeah.
All right. Let's see how hot this could really be. It's not that bad. It smells like barbecue sauce.
You sure? Yeah, no. That's gonna be potent. I can already see the
It smells
little.
like pepperonis. It's not. It's nothing. Smell it. It's like.
Yeah, it actually smells straight up like pepperoni. That is terrifying.
Yeah.
It's dangerous.
I can already see the little devil in there going.
All the hot stuff is has settled down here, and it's like all the nice
Oh, yeah, you
stuff
gotta
is up
shake
here.
it. Yeah, you gotta shake it.
You take it and re-smell it, and it knocks you out. Forgets the cap. We're covered in hot sauce. What do we do?
Hot sauce all over the place.
All right. Oh god, that actually is worse.
Yeah.
Like the behind the scenes smell.
Yeah.
Like the pepperoni smell is there, but there's like something hiding in there.
You're like,
Yeah.
You're like there's like the waft, the bathroom that smells ominous.
Yeah, I know for sure is going to be potent.
Yeah, no, it's like it leaves you with something.
Yep.
That's a little disturbing.
That's
Father and son. Grandpa's dead. No, I can't pronounce that. Habanero pepper. Nope, don't want it.
Yeah.
Nope. Not that again.
But also for the fact that it's got the ghost pepper in there. Mm-mm.
It doesn't say it's got ghost pepper in here. Like, I think this is literally just one of those things where they're like, yeah, it's ghost pepper sauce, but it doesn't actually have ghost pepper.
It's probably got like a small
Unless
flavor
the
of it.
technical name for ghost pepper is Nagajolokia. Maybe
Gelatin.
maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's like the Greek, the ancient Greek name for ghost peppers.
Yeah. Oh, benching. Oh, I don't want benching.
It's gonna be like Nagajolokia. Oh, yeah, that's the technical name for it. Never mind. It does have ghost pepper. I just didn't know that ghost pepper had a different name.
Yeah.
Here in America, we just think everything's got an American name.
the moment you scratch your eye and you're not like 100% confident that you washed your hands good enough,
You're about to find out.
oh dear.
Alright, well, I think it has been a success here.
Yep.
You didn't actually mess up really at all building the PC, so clearly if you want to build yourself a PC inside of an old Gateway Vision System tower, without any experience, without any prior experience of building in this case, good case to build it.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you want to do a sleeper computer like this, it's kind of cool, but you will be limited on the graphics card because you have to go for a half-height GPU.
See, that's where you're wrong, pal.
You could.
I'm gonna put a full-size GPU in this case in a future video, so you can subscribe for that.
All right.
And did you enjoy yourself coming on the channel?
Absolutely.
Well, thanks for coming here, and thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
And also hit up the Discord too.
Yeah, because he'll respond to your comment.
Yeah.